What's going on? Dav here from Mimms Honda Day and Japanese Performance Show. Now in today's vlog we're going to have a closer look at some custom billet pieces I've had made for my Honda Civic Jordan rebuild. Stay tuned. First up, let's have a look at the Frontline Fabrication Billet Cam cover. This is a piece of art. Check this out. I almost don't want to fit it to my car, it's that amazing. Let's have a look at it in closer detail. As I'm going for a coil and plug conversion, I've gone for the billet adapter plate as well. Check the quality. This cam cover comes with a billet oil cap, machined specifically for this cam cover. It also comes with a detachable cam belt cover, which is handy while tuning when you need to make adjustments on the cams. It also comes with its own custom billet hardware. Next up we have some more billet goodness made by Shea Spec. So this is all one-off. This is a 101 of everything, handmade by Shea Spec. Check it out. So I've always wanted to upgrade my dipstick, funnily enough, but there's not many companies which actually do them. So I reached out to Shea Spec to hand make a custom billet one for me, and he's done a great job with it. So as I said, this is all handmade by Shea Spec. Here we have the matching billet Vtec solenoid cap. And lastly, the custom gear knob, all matching.